Hello, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Tuesday, March 14th. It's 5 p.m. Central Time, and I'm going to look at oil and natural gas. So let's go. All right, looking at the 4-hour chart of oil, I think we finally got our directional bias here. So broke down hard today, and I got 5 waves coming down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in a diagonal format. So expecting a push up here into this purple zone here that I got labeled somewhere between like 73 and up to maybe 74 and a half or so, somewhere in there. Could even go higher, but at a minimum it should come bounce up here before it resumes low. So now, not unless they are making one ugly pattern here. It looks like this was just a 1, 2, 3 correction, and now they've come down in 3 waves here for a 1. Here was 3 waves, that's 2. And so now I'm expecting this was 1, they'll come up here for 2, and then they'll go down, and they'll break this 70 level, and that'll be 3. So not unless they are doing something very strange here. If this was an impulse up to here, 5 waves, then I could see this being an A, 3 waves for the B, and then your 5 waves down for the C. But this wasn't an impulse coming up, it was just 3 waves. So, if this is 3, 3, and then 5, and then they come all the way up, I don't know. I don't know if I've ever seen that. That's a very slow start to some type of correction. So I'm looking more for this area to get a reaction and resume down, and then we're going pretty low on oil because they'll come and break this, and this will only be 3, and they'll go up for 4, and then still got one more leg down for 5. So somewhere into the mid to upper 60s, I would assume. So, but watch this area. If for some reason, this really extends up, then maybe this is just a massive correction. Like I said, this could be A, and then this was A, B, C, and then for B, and then they come up for C. But boy, that is a very huge, ugly correction. So I'm leaning more towards that this area should be getting a bounce and resume lower. All right, natural gas. All right, so let's go in here. So I've got 5 waves down in a diagonal format down to here. And then I got a strong bounce up yesterday. And so far, it's just 3 waves. So you got your 1, 2, 3 waves up. So that could be all the correction. So we got this as a leading diagonal. 3 waves that could be all the correction. I don't think it is, though. It doesn't look finished to me. So what I'm expecting is 1, 2, 3, and then we do have 3 waves down in a running format here. Running flat down here. And this green area it held, and then it got a strong bounce up. So what I'm thinking is that this move up, this 3 waves, that was A, and then we got 3 waves down, this was B. What I'm expecting them is to come back up, break this high one more time for C, and then come down and break this 239 level one more time for the C. Well, it's either going to be C or something really bad. This leading diagonal, this is either A or it's 1. So we won't know until they come back and break this low. So when they do break that low, well, I'm assuming that they do, unless I got this labeled wrong. When they break that'll be the moment of truth for natural gas. Because if it just kind of just breaks it and then it starts to really push up again and really get going, then this looks like it's just going to be an A, B, C correction for this impulse up, and then we should be going back up to break this top. But the farther this comes down, now natural gas, like I said, you know, they could bring this C wave all the way down to here before they reverse it all the way up. So you just never know. Typically, though, you know, like C wave will just kind of come down, just break that, and then they'll fly back up. You know, they just want to come and take out some stops and then reverse it. So but first things first, let's make sure that they do come up to break this top of 2674, and then watch there. It should be reversing and coming back down. All right, so that is what I see. Let me know if there's any comments or questions. Appreciate likes and your support. Good luck to you all, and talk to you in the next video. Bye.